this video going to be very interesting. What we're going to do, we're going to replace the handlebar, and I'm going to show you step by step how to replace it. Also, I got Oxford heating grips, and we're going to replace them as well because I got them. What else? Yeah, not much, to be honest. I guess I crack on. The first thing we always want to do, because remember they're pretty strong, at least 12 volts, we unconnect the battery first. Get your clutch, brakes and all that stuff off, because I did struggle to find a handlebar grip for this handlebar. I will give you part number because it's really hard to find it, because there's loads of there for cheap, expensive, and I couldn't find the right one. I ordered one that came up completely different. Even it was stated as Z800, Z800 2016, but it was absolutely wrong. So I will put the part number, so at least when you order one, if you drop your bike or anything happen, at least you can get yourself a bar. It ain't gonna be cheap. I pay, I think, about £100, and it came from Belgium, if I'm not wrong. So it's not the cheapest thing, but have to be done. So yeah, let me crack on. And the first thing first, like I said, unconnect the battery. I start stripping pieces, what I see, the levers and things like this, using 8mm socket. You can use a spun ice, quite a lot of access in here, so spacious, with not a problem. See that boy there? I did test it out, that still does the job. It's basically need a cover, but I got the new ones, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna place the new ones in. Let's crack on with this boy in here. Also, I got the new switch in here, which I'm gonna replace it. So there you go. We don't want to lose pieces like this. Clutch is off already, so that's your lever is off. Next one is going to be your switch, and it's just a Phillips screwdriver. Pretty straightforward again. And there you go, your switch coming off. Very simple, nice and easy. So what we got left in this side, we also got the wiring. We're going to cut the wirings off, and there's a plugs for your heating grips, but let me crack on with this side. Remove the brake, same, using 8mm. You got little plugs there, be careful of them. Unplug them two boys in here, and that's it. So your brake side is off. Again, we use Phillips in here to get these switches, kill switch and a starter. Seconds. Remember, one long one goes under and the short one goes on the top. So right, that should come apart just like that. And we got the throttles. Also show you the throttle position just in case, because we can forget how to put them back on. Just like that, from one side and another side there. So yeah, that will come off nice and easy. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to undo this Allen. So undo that, and that handle grip should come off. Just like that. Get these cables off. That's nicely done, actually. I like that. So what I'm going to do, I got in the box the new grips. I'm just going to see if I got exactly the same wiring in here. Those boys, they should, as soon as I connect, they should slide out. Okay, this is off basically now. If I undo these 4 Allens, handlebar will come off. So this is your handlebar off. Unfortunately pretty badly damaged. Let me get the new one and replace the new one in it. Like I said, I'm gonna show you the code. Kierownika Kawasaki model Z800 2013-16. So you got the color code and part number. So by this you should be able to find the correct piece you need it. And as you see, that goes just nicely on. I roughly put it straight, but again, when all pieces are going to be back on, all fairings, everything else, if I need to adjust it, it's pretty straightforward. It can easily adjust that handlebar. So we're going to use a little bit of glue inside in here, not too much, just to make sure in some point, if you will need to take it out, we can do that. So we slide it in, should go till about there. I've got the new switch and all that stuff. Should be pretty straightforward. What we do, basically unconnect this boy in here. That's it, lovely. And that should just come out like this. Before we're going to put the new plug on, I want to double check, make sure the wiring, the color and everything else, it does match up. To me seems like very same. So we're going to feed this through, plug this one back in. And steering bar is back, feels good. Throttle feels good as well. Sweet. So basically we got end bars left, which I'm gonna not show you in the video because I need to repair one, and just connect these boys in here and job done. Make wiring nice and tidy, and yeah, that's another really good job done. It's good, feels really good, nice, job done. Again, if you follow me, you see quite a lot of videos about this bike. Not only I got cars, cool projects and things like this, but basically the handlebar is done. We got the throttle back, everything nicely back together. Feels really soft and not like, feels really good. And if you find a little bit helpful for yourself, subscribe to my channel, follow me. Lots of interesting videos coming up. Some you don't need it, some probably is interesting. So yeah, subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, and comment below if you need any question. Comment below. See you next video.